Welcome, welcome. Too much something that go on the media, so me come fi go no little drama today. Fi make una laugh. That very my life fi mix up, do little mix up drama, me call it, yeah. Because I little mix up, yes. So, me I go talk up, do little mix up, you know, yeah. Yeah, you know me I always say me dey on one little corner lately. Yeah, me dey on one little corner. Yes, and them and the little corner, them me go no. And the little corner, the lady, when me like fi when I corner, them me like fi go listen. One small little shop, and she near Rasta for life, yes. And me go down there, and me hear something thing, and me want to find out thing. So, Papa Jesus, if you're not busy, come over here, because me want some answers. But me I go sing one little song. Me can't really sing good, you know. But me I go sing one little song. And if you're not clever, you know I go know what me I go talk about. So, me I go sing now. I talk sick, and me can't sing. If anybody ask you, where are you going? Where are you going to? I'm going down the basement. I'm going down the basement to be with on my own. If anybody asks you, where are you going? Where are you going to? I'm going down the basement. I'm going down the basement to be on my own. Anyway, yeah, that a little song me sing. And so me I go tell you know what me find out down at the corner shop. Yeah, a little mix up. Me don't know if you talk, you know, because I think these are kind of gossip. And only me subscribers and me, yeah, subscribers only are go hear this. And we, you know, yeah. So we are going to do it indoors, because anybody come around and go listen and go talk. So no, what me say no, me don't know if you go on it for free because I some file me get, and me know say when certain people attack gossip, they want money now feed, they want Zelle Cash App and Super Chat and all kind of something. But me not have none of them chat there. So me I go ask them for a thumbs up feed. Me might even ask, no, you have to go give me one prescription too. Because you can't just get things free over here, so just free laughter. You know I go so today. So no. If you talk here, me for put it on the back burner. Me might put it on the back burner, you know, because I don't want get in no trouble. Me I go talk. Yeah. So, the shop, when me go, I want a little corner shop. But you have to go around, so and go around the corner and go around the corner, around the bend. And then you come to one shop. And the lady name, Rasta for life. So what happened now? Lolo strike her. Lolo lick her. Because she got play. Lolo, some content or something she make pan. Her platform pan in her shop. She had some content in her shop. And Lolo find it and strike her feet. So now, she's know about YouTube and nothing. Look like I'm a woman you can't really mess with, you know. She share me videos before, yeah. Big up yourself, Rasta for life, yeah. She know a little thing, yeah. She know a thing them about YouTube and something. So Lolo mess with the wrong person. She lick her, yes. So the woman come out for Lolo and she call her crack for teeth and crater face. But me don't know if a greater she mean a crater. Greater. Because a greater face we used to say. Yeah, so crater, she could have mean a crater that I use for building work. Me don't know if that one she mean. So she call her that. Yes. And she say, she goes and she say, him there top and she there bottom. So she talk about the basement scenario. Say Lolo always down at the basement and him up at top. So she want answers. So she talk up with things them man about Lolo. And me hear it on one other platform too. But this person there say, oh, but me know the corner come around them, me go look all the time. But no, me see one of that thing, and at this bit me want God to tell me, you know, Papa Jesus to tell me if it goes off it true. Me hear the woman say the streets are talking, but you me not up on the street so much, yeah. Me not hear a lot of the things them on the street or go on. But the woman say that Lolo marriage is on the rocks, and divorce I go on soon, and that's why she don't have the basement. I don't have the basement she live, and him live up at the top, in the house. But me did hear she was saying she wasn't sure if the house belonged to Lolo or the husband, because the husband yeah. But me did hear the house belonged to the husband, but the house lean. And so me did hear say the house lean. But me never know what lean did mean. But somebody say, when you take out extra money upon the house, and you know the house, if you sell the house not belong to you. And something like so me get. Allegedly, me have to say, allegedly. Start from, yeah, allegedly. So, I saw me get it, and I saw me I go say it. So, then she say, one lad a little thing, but me don't know me figure, all I story at once, me should have keep back little light. But anyway, I go talk as human, I go come back with more, and me not have time to keep coming back every minute, so. Because, me not depend on the tube like that, so. Yeah, so the woman say no. She's in love with the man who ring over there all the time. What name? I think his name Rabba Baba Saba Hakab. I can't remember his name. She in love with him and always ring up and she giggle with him. And he, all when they are working ring up. But she say the wife find out about it. And the wife put a stop to it. But I don't know if it's true because she say him not ring over there. She don't know if he might ring over there so often, no. But me don't know because true, them put up one big time fence. Sometimes I always see what go on over there. And me can't hear them attack. I think, yeah, look like I don't have basement, them a keep the yeah, them a keep it live them. But when me pass through the tube, me not fear I don't there for a few days. Me know I do wash and normally keep on the tube and then go over the 8 face, yeah, for the rest of the, when them attack, when them write the woman name down so. So the woman say, that she hear, that the gossip she hear. So, that me want to know if something goes off with you. That's why the lady, that's why, put fun and joke aside though. That's why Lolo's so sad really, ain't it? Yeah. That's why she's so sad, I think, because hurt people, yeah. Yeah, me forget this little bit too. She say, Lolo marry a man for the green card. Yes. A green card marriage. Yeah. So no. And that's why, yeah. So, me don't know I look like she just get the passport the other day, because me know, me did say her, I go up on holiday and she not show off her passport, yeah. So, that me I go talk, me not go talk no more, because me don't want nobody here, and come yeah, somebody come, me I go run, me have to go run, me can't talk no longer. So, we not keep quiet, zip it, no say nothing. Alright, me gone.